So my truck was making a weird sound, and I don't know what was happening. I thought it was the brakes, because every time I hit the brakes or whatever, or turned, it was just kept giving this grinding sound. Look, come here. I'll show you what it is. I'll take that from you. Yep. My CV axle is popped out of the front diff. That's not supposed to do that. So my cousin's on the way. We're gonna fix those. For some reason, my wheels got this like rust look to them. I don't know what's going on, but it'll get fixed, and we're cleaning it up for 603. But stay tuned and see you guys. Okay, so I got the brakes done and new CV axle, new seal and everything. Now we're out here with Caleb, getting some pictures, and Connor. Oh yeah, Connor, getting the clips? Oh yeah. Yeah, buddy. But we're gonna get this done and probably go fuck off somewhere else, and yeah, stay tuned for 603 too. My keys up right now. At this nice freaking lighthouse. Alright, so we're checking out the damage of when I curved my rim. There's a piece of my wheel. Yeah. That's really a piece of my rim. That's crazy. Kinda. Just put some freaking touch-up paint on it. I don't know where this one is. This one was smaller, but yeah, it's right here. But it is what it is, you know. We're gonna keep fucking sending it. And Connor. Herb 1, truck 0. Sadly. But getting chromies next, and yeah, stay tuned for that. Maybe, I don't know about street tires. I kind of like these tires. I like how aggressive they look. Not bad. Let me know. Comment down below if you actually like these tires, or should I do street tires on the next set? Let me know. Okay, so now it's a couple days later. We're gonna fix up the paint that got all scratched up in the process of fixing it, but I don't know if the wheel will come off because I got a cheap cheap screw gun, so we might have to just tape up the wheel and do it that way, but we're gonna find out here in a second. And yeah. This is why you don't put your lug nuts on with a high-powered screw gun, because then your low-powered screw gun won't take it off. Ugh, that means I'm gonna have to paint it with the wheel on, which is only a little bit, so should be all right. Cue to that. Okay, so we got it all taped up and papered, so not the best job, but you know, all we gotta do is get that and probably the lower control arms because they look like crap, but that should be it before 603. Gotta get that done, going out in a little while to get some rollers. And yeah, and if you guys didn't see, I got a haircut, look fresh, but gonna get this done, get a couple clips. And yeah, this is a good old spray paint because, you know, I live in Maine and I haven't figured out a color I want to do just yet. Thinking about a platinum white with a lot more sparkle. I think that'd be dope. But until then, spray paint. All done. Now I gotta see if I can get in my tailgate because my latch or something's broke, so yeah. Been giving me a pain in the ass. Can anybody let me know why my tailgate's doing this? Because I would love to replace it. I think it's the strings or whatever in there, the wiring in there, that is making it so it won't open. I think it just needs to be replaced, the whole latch system. So yeah, watch me sit here, struggle to get my tailgate open. You know what? We're just gonna leave it, but yeah. So we got that done. We're probably gonna paint a couple other things and get this puppy ready to roll for 603. Okay, I decided to do this side just because so it looks good all the way around. So I'm just taping this up. That side's good. I got the tow hitch done, the rear springs done. Yeah. So okay, now we're on our way to go return a tool to put the seal in. I don't need it, so I'm gonna go return it. And then we're gonna hit up Napa and return, get my core charge for the caliper. Get some money back, you know? But yeah, stay tuned for that. Or don't stay tuned for it. Whatever. Just met this guy. Sexy ass truck. Come on, do something. Do something, bud. That thing is sexy. Okay, so I'm on my way back from getting some paint. Some actual paint the paint coat of my truck. It's expensive as heck, but worth it. I'm gonna get back. I'm gonna try to beat the rain and see how much I can get done on these fender flares, because I want my truck to look good for 603. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get that done, and stay tuned. Might get some more stuff, but yeah. I just got back and now I got this out, ready to prime it and paint it, see how it comes out before it starts raining. Okay, so I got one painted, which looks pretty good, but let's see how the clear looks after. So I didn't end up filming, but I ended up getting a nice clear coat on this, looking like glass. But I did end up fucking it up in one spot right there. Don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, I fucked it up a little bit, but that's all right. These are just not long term, so that's not bad. I'm just trying to get them on to hide a little bit of my rust and stuff, which everybody already knows, but just to make it look a little better. So it ended up raining out, so we're gonna have to put that on the back hold. Probably won't be able to do that for 603 because time's ticking, and I don't know if I got time to do it. But I got one looking good, but yeah, this will probably be the end of the video, so see you, bye.